Shane and I wanted to do something off the beaten path, and we are at...
Welcome to Tadom Hill. So here at Tadom Hill, we have different kinds of accommodation. So this is actually for a two-man hut, but if you look around you, some of them can accommodate up to 6 to 7 people, and they even have the bamboo hut that can have like a dorm style. So when you're at Tadom Hills, you can actually do a lot of water activities. So they have like flying fox, water rafting, and diving area where you can just jump off there. So you can actually come to Tadom Hills for a day trip to Makila, just spend a time, like a night stay with your loved ones. So let's say if you choose barbecue pit over here, you can rent this little hut that's quite nice, pretty affordable I would say if you come in. Before we came in, there was actually 3 rooms to this place. So we made a new friend. His name is Afi. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Maybe it's poisonous, I'm not too sure, but should be fine lah.
Tasha?
Tasha, don't use your feet lah, use your hand.
I cannot die.